Jango. Good boy. Wait. Okay, I am Jennifer Harrington with the Zenful Canine, and this is Jango. He is a resident here at Boise Bully Breed Rescue, and I'm going to be working on some scent exercises with him today. And I learned about these at a seminar that I watched with Jamie Pound of UK Sniffer Dogs. Jango, hey, sit. Good boy. Good boy. At UK Sniffer Dogs, and he uses them with pet dogs to deal with issues like reactivity and things like that, and kind of helping to retrain those behaviors. Jango, sit. Good boy. Jango knows what game he's going to get to play, and he's excited. Good boy. So I've set up several paper bags behind me. One of the paper bags has a Kong with some kibble in it for him. Jango, sit. Good boy. So I'm going to be letting him go here in a minute, and I'm going to be walking him past all of the bags, and he's going to find the bag that has the kibble in it. So he'll sniff each bag until he finds which one has the kibble. So here we go. Okay, Jango, come on. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Okay. There you go. Good boy, get it. So now Jango's rolling the Kong around to get all of the kibble to come in. That's kind of his reward for sniffing out and scenting the kibble. So I made it kind of easy this time, and I put them all in a row. The next time I'm going to scatter them around the room and just let him go and let him find it. Okay, so again, here I am with Jango. Now the bags have been scattered all around the room, and he's going to have to find out which one has the Kong with kibble in it. So they're not in a line, so he's not going to go to any of them in any particular order. Okay, Jango, seek. Seek. Good boy! Good boy, you got it! Okay, hold on. There you go, good boy. Good boy. Now he gets to hunt down all of the kibble as it falls out of the Kong. And that's his reward for having sniffed out the right bag.